At aming Coach AP na bago. Woo! Good morning! Good morning! Time check, 6:19 ng umaga. Teka lang, may nga tayo mic there. So yun. Good morning guys, may ride tayo today with some Chinoy Mafia members. Yung ibang Chinoy Mafia natin na tropa nasa racetrack today, Wiltec event sa Clark. So yung mga hindi kasama, nagplano kami ng ride. So yan. Kamusta kayo? Kamusta kayo? So ang first meetup namin ay sa SB Petron, San Pedro. So yan, doon na lang ako mag-update guys. See you, bye bye. Finally, nandito na tayo sa Petron, San Pedro. Saan ba yung Starbucks dito? Ayun. Yan lang pala yung Starbucks. Visit na yan, no? Daming sasakyan ngayon. Halos mapuno ang S-Lex. Traffic na, yan ang oras pa lang, traffic na eh. Yun, yung mga kasama natin dito na. Alright. Ay. Good morning!
Ay, ang alas 6 nyo.
Si AP.
Bawal pa naman ako nauuna sa meetup.
Ikaw ba first to arrive?
Bawal mauna sa meetup.
Sila sir, kasama rin ba natin sila sir?
Iba sila eh.
Ay ba? Wala ko kasama rin. Ha?
Sarap. Pag solo, pag ano. Waso. Nakaside lang ako. Kanya ano.
Ayun si Boss Gerson, si Harold. At aming Coach AP na bagong 6R. Sama namin si Jet. Si Boss Jet, minsan lang sumama yan. Si Lloyd, ang daming dalawang CB650. Si Lloyd at si Reynold. So yun, patake off na kami guys. Gearing up na. Let's go. Chinoy Mafia.
Magka-certify ka? Ano? Magka-certify ka? Papasa ka ba, Peg? Hindi naman. Fake. Parang fake tong Africa Twin na to eh. Ay, yung Accra na to eh. Easy yan, di ba na ako? Ay, di ba natin? Mukhang peke. Ano lang?
Pasok.
Lilikod ako. Paano mo matitesting niya kung ano ka sa likod?
Mamaya na lang daw.
Traffic din.
Pasok tol, pasok. Okay, pasok pa kaliwa.
Sana kasama tayong first lap.
Mabait pa yan ngayon, puta, demonyo na yan next month.
Ganyan yung mga tinuruan namin dati, mga talbahe na ngayon eh. Oo, puta, mga nagpupit na ngayon eh. Pero lahat na nakakarta tayo.
Ha?
Si-step yan.
Ano no?
Si-step mo na yung pag-step. Ano mo na?
Wala kardo si Jet, wala kardo si Jet. Ganun, tayin mo. Practice ka na dito. Hello.
Teng, rinig mo ka? Teng.
Bakit?
Teng, rinig mo ka? Santa Rosa, exit kami ng Calak, Santa Rosa. Ano yung karamin doon?
Hindi na, okay na. Kape moto na lang. Malayo yung na-exitan namin eh. Silangan na eh.
Puta, Sige. Sabihan ko. Ay, wait lang. Tsaka, hold on.
Oh.
Sabi ni Peng, ang naging exit nila Silangan. Pakalayo daw. Katimoto nila. Diretso. Okay. Sige, Peng. Kopya.
Okay,
Sige.
okay, bye-bye. Yan. Ito nakalagay dito, Tuno Valley. Oh, dito tayo doon, Nubali.
Ricardo, volume up.
Di ba doon?
Kaya ata, malayo pa na lupa eh. May circle ka ba nakita doon?
Ha?
May circle ka nakita?
Hindi, may kakananan tayo eh.
Teka, tingnan natin.
Ito lang, balik na tayo. May hirap ito. Ito ka na doon. Baby, slow down ka na tropa. Ay na me baby. Whoop 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 whoop.
Live.
Wala, bakit?
Bubuti namin to eh.
Oh, wala. Hi guys.
Sa Vietnam, may tourist spot doon, tapos may ganyan lang.
Nagsiselfie.
Sila nagsiselfie.
Ayun na. First ride.
First ride.
Boss Harold. Boss Lloyd. Ito si, Post Malone. Let's go.
Wala, hindi nga ako nakabrate
Boss
ngayon.
Gerson. Ayan, si Coach AP. Coach AP's new bike. Ayun,
Bakit mo kasi pag nag-vlog ka?
New bike. New bike ni Coach AP. Ayun, 6R. Pogi naman yan. Sana oil. Idol Harold. Kape-kape muna. Ito. Sa yung pag natin. Yung pag daw. Agaan natin para may pag tayo makita.
May pag.
Kape.
Pag.
Ano sasabihin mo? Ano sasabihin mo? Ano sasabihin mo? Camera shy ka? Vlogger ka? Out of time!
Mayayain ako pa rin.
Ito. Mag-stop over sa Kapemoto. Sarap ng panahon. Medyo mainit yung sinag ng araw. Pero lamig. Sarap. So ayan guys. Ito sila. Ayan.
Hello, Tacom, DMC Intercom, low.
Pinapahiya sa G.
One, connected.
Oo.
Una, sunod ako sa inyo. Mag-gloves pa ako. Sunod ka na sa kanila, Nol.
Tawin na, mali yung position ko. Ay, sa'yo babaw, laipin mo agad. Pantay to dito eh. Magaling sa dulo ng utak. Taliwa eh.
So guys, ito ang napakatagal na ginawa na tulay na nagpa-traffic dito sa Tagaytay.
Ito na eh, boss, para matama yung kitchen.
Ayan guys, oh. Ganda ng view, may save more. Oh.
Ayun, no?
So ayan guys, ito yung mga kasama natin nandito.
Pwede pakpakan at yung pintura. Ginawa pala nilang shoulder yun. Tangina, ginawa lang ng paraan ng puto. Sino kita? Kamuron, kasama ko pa din siya nung dito eh. Sino?
Sir Rob? Yung kasama yung Sir SB. Video.
Dito mo nang natira yung 10R ko eh. Tangina.
Coach, na ka sa kaliwa.
Nagbubuga.
Videoan lang kita on. Ayun o. Woohoo! Woohoo! Okay, pasok na, pasok. Guhit na mga trupa! Ayan o. Ayan. Ayan o, Post Malone. Stabero puta. Stabero ka Post Malone ha. Ayan o. Hindi pala naka-record.
Tubig ka, tubig sa kanan. Clear sa kanan.
Kopya, kopya.
Ingat sa akin. Ano ba ito? Ako ko tubig ko rin. Meron.
Maguhit lang ako. Sarap!
Nakatakot.
Paanoin mo lang kami, paunahin mo lang kami.
Coming from the bottom, going to the top. I'm going to the top. I'm going to the top. Yeah, I'm going to painting all of my fibers that it was greatest requires. I gotta show them that I'm a fighter. That's a traitor for survivor. They wanna out my flame, they added more to the fire. I gotta show them how I get inspired. I'm hungry inside like a tiger. I gotta never gonna give it to my fan. Even if they never me so bad, gotta make it to the top. Climb out of hell, trying to knock me down and I knew they wouldn't dare. Feeling like the man, like I'm running for the man. I nearly quit it, but I had to go and persevere. I'm feeling like Houdini made the eyes reappear. I'm really about to blow up, they don't wanna be near. Yeah, the better stay clear. Yeah, I made my wish come through. Yeah, I feel like a genie. Back against the wall, I paint a graffiti. First impression counts, I make it look easy. One of one, so I need me a mealy. Till the wheels fall off, I'm popping a wheelie. Tryna see me on the TV, tryna go picture perfect, point the camera, yeah, they need me. Tell them make a wish, I grant it like a genie. I'm standing tall, Mount Everest can see me. I need the throne, I'm a king of the city. I'm coming from the bottom, going to the top. So far to reach, can never take my spot. Haters better know that I only keep it hot. Once I take control, ain't no way I'm gonna stop. I'm coming from the bottom, going to the top. So far to reach, can never take my spot. Haters better know that I only keep it hot. Once I take control, ain't no way I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop. Haters stay quiet when they see me on the block. On the block. On the block. I'm the boss. I tell these haters that they miss the spot. Spin cross so much times, gotta bring my silence like it was a crossfade. The game is leverage. I'm playing the game like I was out in an arcade. I did it alone and I did it by myself. I did it while I was afraid. Only by greatness with my own hands. I really guess I was handmade. Never gonna give it to my fan, even if they never me so vague. Gotta make it to the top, climb out of hell. Trying to knock me down and I know they wouldn't dare. Feeling like the man, like I'm running for the man. I nearly quit it, but I had to go and persevere. I'm feeling like Houdini made the eyes reappear. I'm really about to blow up, they don't wanna be near. Yeah, they better stay clear. Wait a minute, hey. I'm coming from the bottom, going to the top. So far to reach, can never take my spot. Haters better know that I only keep it hot. Once I take control, ain't no way I'm gonna stop. I'm coming from the bottom, going to the top. So far to reach, can never take my spot. Haters better know that I only keep it hot. Once I take control, ain't no way I'm gonna stop. I see the colors, they swirl around you.
Okay ka pa dyan, Reynolds? Yeah, enjoy lang.
I see a
Wala,
network of stars in your eyes. I'm going back to the place where I found you.
Wala, straight lang yan eh.
I'm gonna make a hole in the universe so I can be with you here. When the sun comes up, I know.
Eh, pala eh.
It's like a tunnel, we're hitting wire. Even our bodies are made of waves. I'm going back to the place where I found you.
MC, no?
I'm gonna make a hole in the universe so I can be with you here. When the sun comes up, I go. When the light in the closet shines, just reach your hand and be open mine. When the sun comes up, I